Hello children, welcome to your chemistry class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is your chapter 3, Elements, Compounds and Mixture. So let's start. First we will understand about pure and impure substances. All the matter is either pure or impure. We know that anything around us that occupies space and has mass is matter. Matter can be classified in many different ways. So you have already read about the classification of matter in your first chapter itself. And one of the easiest ways in which you can classify matter is to separate them into pure and impure forms. Let's see how we decide if a substance is pure or impure in our day-to-day lives. You can just look at the ingredients on labels to know if they are pure. You can look at the ingredients and notice that this jar contains milk fat, that is your ghee. You may say it is pure. If chili powder gets mixed with brick powder, you may say it is impure. But chemistry can sometimes be quite different from ordinary life. If you ask a chemist, he or she will say that both the ghee and chili powder are impure. Let's see how chemistry defines pure and impure substances. First, we will understand about the pure substances. Anything that is made up of only one type of particle, that is called a pure substance. In salt, the constituents of all the particles are the same, that is NaCl, that is your sodium chloride. They even look and taste the same. No other type of particle exists in salt. So, salt is a pure substance. Similarly, sugar is also made up of only one type of particle. It is also a pure substance. Pure substance can be further divided into elements and compounds. So students, you have already read about the elements and compounds in the previous class. Now can you tell me what is elements and compounds? So elements means a substance made up of the same kind of atoms is called your element. So for example, your salt. And what is compound? Compound is when atoms of two or more different elements combine chemically in a fixed proportion, they form compound. For example, your water. Because in your water, your hydrogen and oxygen are composed in a fixed proportion. Okay? Then we will read about the impure substances. Anything that is made up of different types of particles is called impure substance. Ghee is an impure substance as it is made of many fatty acids and vitamins, etc. Similarly, wood is an impure substance as it is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin and water. All impure substances are mixture. So this is a important thing. Remember that all impure substances are mixtures. Let's try to identify which substance is pure or impure. Copper wire. It is pure because it is composed of only copper atoms. Okay. Mineral water, it is not pure, that means it is impure because it is a mixture of water, calcium, magnesium and sodium and the other things also there. So this is your impure. Soil, you know soil is a mixture, so it is impure and it is a mixture of your organic matter, air, water and minerals. Liquid nitrogen, it is pure because it is made up of only nitrogen molecules. Okay, so just we got the idea about the elements, compounds and mixture and also about the pure substance and impure substance. In the next videos we'll see thoroughly about them. Okay, thank you.